Another star has come into the room. அங்கே ஒரு 26 சேட்டலைட் அப்படியே ஆர்பிட்டில் போட்டுட்டு அப்படியே ஒரு டைம் பாஸ்க்காக இங்கே ரூம்க்கு வந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு முத்துச்செழியனை மே ஐ இன்வைட் ஹிம் ஆன் ஸ்டேஜ் டு டாக் அ ஃபியூ வேர்ட்ஸ் ப்ளீஸ். Okay. Thank you, friends. I am meeting you all after the 2009 January 26th when we met. Very frequently I used to see all those photos and things. In fact, I told when I come along with my wife and daughter. Actually, in fact, I told that we are coming after a long gap of 5-6 years. Sometimes I will not be able to immediately recognize my friends, and immediately, even though we are in touch, voice we can be able to recognize. They are chatting with me on this. It's really a happy occasion for me to come back, I think, and we need to really frequently meet. I know the troubles what our friends have taken. I was in touch with them to organize things. But as you all know, once you start going, you will be able to have frequent meets. I wish that we should have in future at least at specified time we should have meet. Okay, regarding my work, as usual, we are only doing satellite launches. That's all. We are not doing anything. Okay, I just want to. Anyway, having called me, actually, I want to share. When we compare with developed countries, we are sixth in the ranking world over, and in terms of performance, what we are able to achieve, this is totally an indigenous technology. Please note, we have embargo to get technology. In fact, this is where we are lagging, and when we compare it with like NASA, ESA, and China and Japan and other things, developing, we are doing it indigenously more. I just want to share some small thing where we are in space right now, because it will be a quite interesting thing. Even though this has become a routine thing, see how a government can do such a wonderful job. That's what I am going to just say a few words. Last time when I met, we had a mission to Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan mission was successful. Recently we had a Mars mission. This is very complicated. This is the first country to succeed in the first mission itself. We are able to reach Mars, and we are able to reach within the shortest period of around 10 months. We are able to reach the Mars, and the expenditure was very, very low when compared to the developed countries. And China is so advanced in terms of technology, still they were not able to master it in the first attempt itself. In fact, they struggled to go, but whereas we are able to do that. This is a purely government setup. As you all know, you have limitations in doing things because of the processes, but still we are able to do it. Now it is more and more becoming like a private in terms of producing more launch vehicles and satellites. As you all know, we are doing only 3 or 4 launches. For us now, every month is a launch. It's fixed. Every month is a launch. You can see January we had February, March, April we had March, May we had one RLV-TD. That's all, a reusable launch vehicle. That is like a space shuttle. It's a technology demonstrator we had. Then June we had 20 satellites. So as we progress, we are being asked to compress and ensure that we are having a launch, and really we are commercially competing with all other top 5 leaders. And we normally it is in terms of per kg to the orbit. What is that? We are the least charging country, so we have a lot of demands. Since it is a government organization, we have trouble in making up for launches. That means we have to produce different Indian industries are participating. We are producing those things and sending it. And you shortly will come to know that India in commercial front of this satellite launches will be very, very successful. We have Mark 3, one latest rocket is getting developed. And as far as me, I am working in a launch complex, and already Jacob, he was earlier with me in the solid propellant plant. It is for me, it's like a regular job. We have to launch every minute. It's a tight schedule. It's like working in a private industry, but it's only government is only attack. It is only we are demand and assignments driven. We don't have anything that way when you come, when you go, and you have to see that you are launching that. Definitely, with this few words, I am very happy to share with you my experiences. I look forward to meet you all shortly. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
See, it was such an important short speech that Muthucheriyan gave. Unfortunately, because of the noise behind, some people may have missed what he said. We are really proud that today the most cost-effective satellite launch is happening from India. Abdul Kalam started this journey, and today we have gone miles and miles ahead. So what Muthucheriyan spoke so humbly, அவ்வளோ ஒரு பெரிய விஷயத்தை தீபாவளி ராக்கெட் அனுப்புகிற மாதிரி அவர் சொல்கிறார். சேட்டலைட்டை போட்டோம், சேட்டலைட் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டோம், லோயஸ்ட் காஸ்ட் பர் கேஜி ஃபார் புட்டிங் இன் ஆர்பிட், டுமாரோ வி வில் ஹேவ் கமர்ஷியல் லான்ச்சஸ். Such beautiful things he told in those few minutes. Really amazing, Muthucheriyan. Thanks. And we are really proud that you are part of the group. I just forgot to mention one thing. Sophales spoke from the heart. Really, I must appreciate the kind of fire in the belly. அது வந்து I could see in Sophales, a man who used to ride very powerful bikes and was famous for such amazing rides, talking from the heart, and that also with such passion. அது because Muthucheriyan entered at that time, I think people just got distracted, but his 2 points, a corruption-free society and a responsible media, these are 2 very important things that he has said, which we need to follow as parents. Now, may I invite the next generation that has become really successful. May I invite Preeti Srivijayan on stage. Preeti Srivijayan. Preeti Srivijayan, it is like this. இவர் எப்படி வந்து சேட்டலைட்லாம் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டு வந்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாரோ, இந்த மேடம் வந்து கௌதம் மேனனோட இப்போ தான் ஐ ஹேட் பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் அண்ட் அஜித் இஸ் கமிங் ஃபார் லஞ்ச் அண்ட் ஈவினிங் ஐ டோன்ட் நோ மேபி விஜய் இஸ் ஜாயினிங் ஃபார் டின்னர். So let them also come. Can I have some more introduction about Preeti Srivijayan? That is Srivijayan's intro. Can you come here, Vijayan? So our what to say, incomparable Samba nicely said that this is Preeti's brother, huh? Brother. Hello. Come, Prashna.
Sophales, நிறைய பேர் இங்கே ஃப்ரண்ட் பெஞ்ச் இப்போ தான் பாருங்க. As usual, you're all in the front bench, we are all in the last bench. Okay. And I keep, Ramesh Bhatt, as usual, the principal always saying, hey, keep quiet, don't make noise. Huh? So, I mean, okay. Welcome, and it's nice to be here. Among a lot of, what do you call, professors, doctors, Tatas, Birlas, okay, and very eminent people, scientists. Good, so nice to be here. And I think we had this reunion sometime few years back in the college, but still I think this was a very good initiative which was taken. So thanks to the entire core team. Selfie, Venkata, or selfie எடுத்துக்கலாமா? Venkatalaka selfie, right? That was a good name. So nice to be here, and I think we'll have a lot of time here. We'll spend a lot of time, all of us together. Okay, so this is Prasanna. So I think all of us, everybody knows that she was also my classmate, so we are both together. And there's one more pair which will be coming down late in the afternoon, Kumaran and Sumati. Okay, so we were all again classmates. So this is my daughter, my first daughter, and I have another daughter who's in 9th standard, and this is Preeti. So, as usual, like as whatever all parents wish, we also went the traditional way, saying that you should get into some engineering or whatever. But she was very adamant and clear about what she wanted to do. So then we gave her the freedom to do what she wants. And now she is in the media, so I will ask her to introduce herself. Thank you.
Hi, I just came in here to probably say hi to all of my dad's friends. I've not met any of them. And they just put me up here, so I don't really have anything in mind to speak about. And I'm sure, watching this place and being here right now, I can see a couple of you in the first, few seats, and then I saw my dad at the last, making all the noise in such a way that nobody could hear what was happening. So that kind of gave me a picture about how my dad could probably have been in college. So next time he's going to complain about me, I'm just going to be like, yeah, I know what you are, so just stay there, do what you have to do. First of all, they brought me up here to say about the field that I am in right now, because I heard a couple of the youngsters are also here, and this is probably different from what most of you here would have done. Thank you to my parents, because they absolutely had no idea about what I wanted to do, and quite honestly, even I had no idea about what I wanted to do. Even now I don't. I'm still experimenting. The first step I could probably take was not do engineering. So my dad was so clear about putting me into VIT. I'm sorry, all you VITians, I really didn't want to get into that place. My first step was to not get into VIT, and I didn't even pass the entrance exam, and that I deliberately made sure I got the least marks in there. And and my dad, I think, tried to get me admission there, but thanks to Chairman sir also, I think he also went about to him and said, just let her do what she wants to do. And it was pretty clear on my face that I really didn't want to do engineering, and I really didn't want to sit in a company working. So here I am. I'd never wanted to be in an office setup, and I'm blessed with a place where I don't have an office at all. I roam around on the roads, I roam around in streets, different houses, different sets, but I don't have an office. We don't have an office space where we sit together exactly. We generally meet in coffee shops. So that's how my work is, and I like it that way. And talking about the media field, probably it looks like very glamorous. From the outside, we would probably, that's the first thing that you want to do. That's what I thought. It's very easy. You go there, you get the fame, and then you're happy, you're just settled. But being here for almost 3 years, I completed college and that happened. That didn't even release so far. And after that 3 years with Gautam Menon sir, right now, it has told me that it is clearly not something that's very easy, and it's clearly not something that we can do if we don't have the passion for it, because it's long hours of work, and I don't get to see my parents as often. It's almost like I can't join them for holidays. I cannot come in whenever they invite me. I can't join them for Saturday night dinners. That's how it is, because every time you don't know what's happening. Shooting is happening. Shooting generally goes from, we have different call sheets like 9 to 6. And when shooting is happening, you're totally there, and you're basically running, literally running. Everything that could go wrong will go wrong on a shooting set. So that's exactly what I do. I can't even attend their calls. So most of the time I'll just disconnect their calls. So that's how it is. And I don't know how many of you here would want to get into the media field, but I would say that if you have the passion for it, it's like the best thing. Because being here, I haven't thought that I've worked for a single day. Every day, even now, I just need to run back because there's some work happening, and I do regret the fact that I can't probably spend more time here, but I also like the fact that there's something there which I really love, and I can't wait to run back there. And I think it's like, I just wish that I have this for a lot more years so that I can do what I want to do. As I said, I haven't figured out. I don't know if I want to make ad films. I don't know if I want to make films. I don't know if I want to write. Just write and give it out to directors, but there's a lot that I can do. And I just wish I just figured that out in the next few years to come. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for listening to me. Yeah.
Just to add here, this speech was specifically meant so that, we have a lot of investors here, okay? A lot of investors are there, okay? A lot of producers, from Canada, from Sri Lanka, from Singapore, okay? So guys got it right, so we can even look at this field also to invest, right? It's a good investment.
Guys, in the hospital every day.
That's, the reason for that, right?
I know. I forgot my
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention Prem and Radhika is already here. Sorry. I mean, it's almost, sorry, just lost my thought. But of course, Prem and Radhika is another pair. They are already here. And then myself, Prasanna, and then Kumaran Sumati will be coming shortly. Okay? Thank you. Natarajan Vera batch. In fact, let me tell you one more instance which happened. Some 4-5 years back when we had this reunion. So, in the college, VEC. So then G.V. Vishnathan sir, chairman, so he said the first kin from the batch, right, from our batch, has joined the college, or junior sonanga. Our first, or ponno payano has joined the college. So I stood up and raised my hand. I said, I raise an objection. So GV asked, what is it like? That's not fair. That's not the first kin. I said, we are pure blood. Myself and Prasanna, pure VITs, pure blood. So, enga kin na first kin it cannot be somebody else. So, maybe, yeah. So, Nataraj vandu vera batch poyiruchilla. Adhe batch illa.
I must really appreciate Preeti. That was a beautiful, beautiful speech. And it must have really given ideas to other young people if they are interested to get into the media. But a wonderful speech. Thanks for that very nice thing that you could make it. I understand Sri Vijayan was telling that it is tight schedule and all, but you could make it, so it's really nice. Investment. Yeah, investment. Right, done. Nice. So that Sri Vijayan has really put it very nicely. I must really appreciate that one. Vector production, right. Super. Vector Films production brought to you by Preeti Sri Vijayan. So nice. Now may I invite for a little calming down of our thoughts to get a balance of mind, to get a balance of nerves. May I invite the Art of Living Murli on stage, please.
Importance of yoga in a daily life. Tamil, English. Yoga is very important for everyone nowadays because we are living stressful life today. There are 7 layers of life: body, breath, mind, intellectual, memory, ego, self. There are 4 sources of energy: food, knowledge, breath, rest. Art of Living is basic foundation course. It is invented by Sri Ravi Shankar, our yoga guru. Our mind is like monkey. The basic principle of this: forget about the past and future and live only in the present. If you are angry, your breath is very fast. If you are fear, your breath is stop and go. If you are happy, your breath is soft and deep. Mind is breath. Breath control mind. Present state of person. No breath, no life. By doing yoga, all the nervous system in the body is activated. Blood circulation is increased. Purpose. While doing yoga, 4 things are very important. You should be aware in your body. Second thing, and then you relax. Third, you should be comfort. Fourth, you should be stable. Negative thoughts are eradicated by yoga. In exercise, we merely apply the body, still be beneficial. But in yoga, we apply mind as well as breath. It is simply energy, emotions of mind. So pranayama is very good breathing exercise. Be positive is energy. Pranayama is related to nanotechnology. In nanotechnology, the nanoparticle system 10⁻⁴ micron size. In pranayama, we should breathe and exhale air, pure air, that molecules of air in micron size. That is both related. And this is told by Sri Ravi Shankar. Yoga improves, benefits of yoga, I tell something, 7 points. Yoga improves sleep. BP and cholesterol is reduced. Second thing. Skin becomes shine. Cardiovascular disease is reduced. Diabetes reduced. Mental tension and liver problem is reduced. Rheumatism, constipation, acidity, fatigue and spinal disorder is reduced. One should do yoga by proper yoga trainer. You should not avoid by reading books or by seeing TV. There are many types of yoga taught by different yoga masters. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, Isha Yoga, Sadguru Vasudev, Vedanta Maharishi, Brahma Kumari, Baba Gurudev. But Sri Sri Ravi Shankar devised a new breath technique called Sudarshan Kriya technique. It is special breath technique. After Sudarshan Kriya, beta waves in brain is increased by 14 cycles. So creativity and concentration, memory, perception, observation, cholesterol level, both HDL, LDL cholesterol, there are two types of cholesterol, HDL, LCDL. Good cholesterol is increased. Antibodies is increased. It regulates cholesterol hormone, brain, and Sudarshan Kriya teach all the prisoners in Tiga jail by Kiran Bedi, all the prisoners become good person. It increases brain function like dementia patient. It improves patience. It increases self-confidence. It increases self-esteem. It relieves depression and anxiety. It gives inner peace of mind. It cures cancer also. In nanotechnology, it cures cancer. By nanoparticles, is spending a drug delivery system in the body. But another type, in physiologically, it cures the cancer also. You should do yoga along with pranayama. It increases lifespan of life. Pranayama is best. After doing yoga, you should do 10 minutes meditation. It is good for all the yoga practitioners. Here I conclude my speech. You should do yoga, pranayama again with meditation. It is good. And all the important aspects, you should sleep at least 7 hours in daily life. And it is very important. A breathing technique. If all things yoga, meditation, but sleeping is very important. By all days also change by WhatsApp and Facebook, all the time spent in through night in awakening in through night. But sleep is both important, even all they do yoga. 7 hours sleep is very important. So our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, is doing yoga. The world is celebrating International Yoga June 21st. We are all proud Indian to be yoga doers. First, yoga is originated by only Indians, and Siddhas also born in India. So we are proud of Indian and all the yoga Siddhas. Thank you very much.